AI-related stocks, SMCI and SoundHound AI. Super Microcomputers or SMCI builds high-performance servers for AI and cloud. It's profitable, earning nearly $1 billion last year. But the stock is volatile, dropping over 25% after its last earnings miss. SoundHound AI focuses on conversational voice technology. In Q2, revenue jumped 217% year-over-year to about $42 million. The stock surged, but it still lost about $74 million last quarter. SMCI shows profit. SoundHound shows the growth. Two very different AI stories. Want to know which is a better buy? Watch the full video on the channel. Thanks a lot.